Roof, I said. Welcome, welcome. If you're seeing this, it's because you fuck with me. Maybe semi heavy or like not heavy at all. Maybe malnourished like or Respucia like, one of the two. Hopefully it's like the Respucia big back like and not the stick figure like I can't even think of nobody right now who stick figure like Asian women? Some of them. Most of them? Most of them. I'm more into the thicker ones though. Let me think your long head, thick, red bone, open up. Anyway, yeah. All right, I got video. Calebcity. I ain't seen his videos in a minute. I've been gone for a minute, man. I've been doing things. I've been crying in the shower. I've been yeah, a lot of crying in the shower. But here I am at a boredom. I want to entertain. I want to be entertained, entertain people. Although I might not be the funniest dude. Whatever. Blah blah blah. Woody Whoop, Calebcity, sneezing more than twice in a row, and I can kind of relate to this because after two sneezes, like you might get a third one. Or if I'm cool with you, like maybe a third one. But even then, man, you doing too much sneezing. You gotta like let me know ahead of time that you like sick or something, or you got some sinuses or something like that. Sinuses, I understand, but like you just sneezing out of nowhere. If you sneezing out of nowhere, and it's more than two times in a row, mm, mm. But yeah, let's get into this, man. I'm wasting time. Bless you. Oh, yeah. Reflex. I mean, sick or something. Maybe you got like a flu, sinuses, allergies. Yeah, I hear some people got allergies pretty bad. Like even inside the house, it'd be like, I still have it. I got, I got like two friends who like that for real. Two of my good friends. One of them really, that would be doing the throat thingy. I'm not a fan of it. But yeah, they be sneezing and maybe sneezing everything, just walking around sneezing, head down. It'd be funny. They do. It'd be funny. Eyes red. Yeah. The way he look at that dude is like he's waiting for like him to say bless you. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, he pulled that out too fast, bro. Too fast. I was not expecting that at all, bro. That caught me off guard. Bro, he looked like a crash out. That's some YNs. Hey, hey. Never gonna give it up. Never gonna let you down. Bruh, nah, bro, they really did that shit for real. Hold on. Alright, I didn't think they was gonna do that for real. I don't know why I thought of that before. Thought of that for. It seems like they were actually kind of going for that. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe I just read that. Maybe I read that. I don't know. Like, just never gonna give it up. It's just. Yeah. Oh, man. Look at it. I had a flash, man. You got to run. The run. I'm at a flash, man. Never gonna let it down. Never gonna run around or desert you, bro. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. And that's how it's gonna go. Something like that. I think that's how I go. Alright, whatever. That was funny. That was funnier than I thought it was gonna be. I miss Calebcity though. He do be funny. Maybe I laugh too easily. One of the two.